Watch the design system agent perform edits for me. I will direct the agent to find the page title with the breadcrumb. I will speed up this video in some areas. After finding the breadcrumb, I will give the agent the brief to change the breadcrumb in the design to correspond with the current page name. Once it successfully does it, I will have it complete this for all pages. Here it is moving to the avatar page, and it should change to avatar. I will speed up the rest. It successfully completed this task with one error. I had to remind it once to do all pages, but overall, it was successful. This runs by itself in a browser window. Imagine if you need to make edits to a large file, and for it to be precise, this is a great tool to get the first round done. Eventually, I can set it up to run multiple instances. Large design systems can be easily updated with a high accuracy rate, completing multiple tasks in parallel. The next task I will ask it to do is to add the blue background which appears on the current page's menu item. This requires it find a particular frame and set the fill. Here is a test showing that it can run in the background. Don't laugh at my recommended videos. You can see the work happening, which means the browser tab does not have to be active. The best part, this doesn't use the Figma API. It uses data from a local .fig file and a DeepSeek API key. Let's wrap this up. Right now, the process is slow, but I was able to go and walk my dog while this was being done. This could also be happening while I'm in a meeting or out to lunch. Most of work within existing files and existing systems. This is finally a tool for how designers really work. If you have any feedback, let me know. How would you use this tool?